I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Trust Wallet. First, download the official Trust Wallet application from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and choose to create a new wallet. You will be given a 12-word recovery phrase. Write this down carefully and store it in a safe, private place. This phrase is your only way to restore your wallet if you lose access. Security is paramount. After setting up, enable a strong passcode or biometric authentication like fingerprint or Face ID for quick, secure access. Remember, your recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Never share it with anyone and be wary of phishing attempts. Losing this phrase means permanently losing access to all your cryptocurrencies, so protect it diligently. Now, let's manage your assets. You can easily add different cryptocurrencies to your wallet by tapping the plus icon and searching for them. To send or receive crypto, simply use the unique wallet address for each asset or scan a QR code. Trust Wallet also features a D-app browser, allowing you to interact with various decentralized applications directly from your wallet. Beyond basic transactions, Trust Wallet offers advanced features. You can connect to decentralized exchanges to trade various tokens directly within the app. Additionally, consider staking supported cryptocurrencies to earn passive income over time. For an enhanced reading experience, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Always stay informed and secure in the crypto space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.